I am asking data handling starting
So
onwards.
data handling.
Starting. From starting.
Yes.
I think it is better to from starting. You Manasi Naga Bhairu. Manasvi.
Manasvi.
Yeah. Data handling.
Sir, can you start it from first?
This chapter from first.
Okay.
Okay. We will start. Already one time I got it, but we will see. Briefly, I will explain from again. See, the chapter is data handling. Okay. Data handling means you know the data. Data is two types. Data is two types of data. One is primary data. Primary data and secondary data. Secondary data. Okay. So primary data means we will collect the data from any source. Source means, for example, if I want the marks of your class, mathematics marks for 7th standard. Okay, then how we will get, I will approach to you and I will ask one by one means you can say, you can give the data of your marks. Okay, collection, directly collection, direct collection. Okay, direct person to person. Okay, after approaching a person to person, if you will collect any data means that is called direct collection. Okay, so you know the census. Census, you know, na? Population.
Collect data direction.
Collect data, population collecting. So for collecting population, how they will come? They will go to, they used to go to each and every home and they will collect how many males, how many females are there in our class, in our house, how many years, what are the years, like that. All the data will collect from person to person, individually collect. That data is called primary data. And secondary data means this is already, it is recorded. This is already recorded. Okay. So for example, if I want the date of birth of your 7th standard students means, if I will go to your office, if and I will check your attendance register or some records means, from that I will get all the date of births of you, right? Is it correct?
Yes.
Why means it's already recorded in your school records. Okay. So that type of data is called secondary data. Okay. Collecting from some organizations. From some organizations. Okay. Okay. For example, if you want to know the rainfall, okay, for the last 5 years means if you will go to that department, they already they recorded in that one record. From that record we can get the rainfall for the last 5 years or 4 years, whatever it may be. So that type of data is called secondary data. Understand?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
After collecting this data, we will handle. We will handle means we can conclude one thing. Something we will conclude. For example, if I will get the marks of your class, 10 students of your class, after seeing that marks, okay, I can get who is the duller, who is the average, who is the above average, who is the clever topper. Like that, I will get some information. So I will handle that data. After handling the data, we will get conclusion about the information. Okay. Data is nothing but information. Data is nothing but information. Okay. So that is why in this chapter we will study how to handle the data. How to handle the data. So to handle the data, first we have to know, again, data is two types of data. One is raw data or ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. And another one is grouped data. Another one is grouped data. Okay. Ungrouped data means, for example, 10 students marks. If I will write like, for 20 marks, 10, 15, 9, 6, 20 out of 20. Okay. Otherwise, 16, 17, and 18, and 19, like 14. For example, these are the data regarding to your marks. Okay, so this is called raw data. We are not arranging in any tabular form. Okay, if you will arrange like in tabular form, means groups. If I will, for example, 0 to 5, how many are getting, and 5 to 10, how many, 10 to 15, how many got, 15 to 20 marks, 0 to 5, how many got, nobody is there. And 5 to 10, how many got it? 1, 2 members. 10 to 15, you should give the response. Simply you are listening like a movie. Okay, I am explaining, you are listening or not, don't know. Ashwant, switch on your camera. Anubhav, you also switch on your camera.
So 10 to 15
Yes, like 10 to
only
15. Huh?
so
Only
10 to 15
only 1. So 5 to 10, 3. Like 10 to 15 to 20. How many are there? 6 are there. So if the given data, if you will arrange like this in tables, okay, or sometimes we will use the bar graphs also, in 6th class, like bar graphs also you arrange, no? Is it yes or no, or so tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And this one, what is this? Pie charts. This is bar graphs. Okay, and in pie charts also, you arranged this data. So this type of data, after arranging like in groups or graphs, means that data is called group data. Okay, if the data is not arranging in any format, so this is called raw data or ungrouped data. Understand? What is raw data and or ungrouped data, and what is grouped data? Grouped data means compulsory it should be in a tabular form or in the graphs. Graphs means like bar graphs, pie charts, many types of graphs are there. That is called a grouped data, right? If the data is not arranging in any tabular form, that is called ungrouped data or raw data. Okay. Right. Now we will see that. So this how we will say, this is nothing but data arranged in tabular form. Okay. So this data means raw data means primary data. It is called primary data. Primary data means direct collection from any person to person. That is called ungrouped data. Okay. After collecting this data, what we will do? We will handle the data. Okay, we will handle means we have to manipulate the data. Okay, to manipulate the data, we have some measures of data. So we have to measure. So for example, now I said the marks of 10 students. All 10 students marks we will handle. How we will handle, from that we will get the maximum mark and minimum mark, right? Maximum mark and minimum mark. So that with maximum mark and
Yes, sir.
minimum mark, if we will subtract the minimum mark from the maximum mark, we will get one value. That is called range. That is called what? Range. Okay. So range means in the given data, maximum value minus minimum value means biggest value minus smallest value. This is one measure of data. For whole the data, we will get one value. Okay, that is called the measure of data. So like that, we have 4 types of measurements to handle the data. Okay, and the second one is mean. Okay, so here in data we have numbers, na? What we will have in the, don't write a quick, I will give the time for writing, you just listen. Listen and give the response. That's enough. Okay, I will give the time for writing. Don't worry. So mean. Mean means mean also called mean or arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Okay. So it is nothing but average. It is nothing but average also. So sometimes we will calculate the average. Okay. Average speed, average time, like that. So what is the mean of arithmetic mean? AM is, in the given data, many numbers are there. If we will add all the numbers, we will get one number. Okay. That number will be divided by the whole, all numbers, number of numbers. So how we will write the formula means sum of observations. That numbers are called observations. Okay. By number of observations. Sum of numbers by number of observations. So like this doing means we will get the arithmetic mean of data, right? Okay. Next mode is there. Next third one, mode. Mode is there, and median also is there. We will discuss median, mode and mean later. First we will see the what is the range and what is how to find the range of the given data and how to find the what is that mean of the given data. We will see. Okay. In the exercise we will see that. First you write this. This you know them. Okay. Will be Written.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Manasvi, you are from which place?
Bangalore.
Yes. Completed?
Sir, once.
So,
Sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
done, sir.
Now
Sure.
we will do the.
So nothing. No.
So now we will do the exercise problems. This is your textbook. The first question, find the range of the height of any 10 students of your class. This is your own question. You have to get the heights of 10 students of your class. From that range, how we will find maximum minus minimum. Okay. Now, okay, this one say organize the following data in a tabular form. Okay, we have to write this in the tabular form. Right, see how to write in tabular form means first Here we will write the number. Number we will write. And over here tally mark. What is that? Tally marks. And here frequency. Frequency. This 3. So what is the smallest number? Here 1. 1 after 4, 2 is there. 2 after 3 is there. Yes, 3. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 numbers are there in that date. Okay. See here, you can check it. Tally mark. How many times 1 is there? Only 1 time. So we will write 1 line, like a small line. So how many lines? 1 line. Frequency is 1. 2, how many times is there? 1. 2 times. See it. Tell me. 2 times. 2 is there. So 1, 2 lines we will write, and 2 we will write. 3, how many times is there? Only
One time.
One time.
one time. One time. We will write. And 4, how many times? 1,
3.
2, 3 times. So we will write 1, 2, 3 lines. So 3 lines means number 3. Okay. 5, how many times?
5
1,
times.
2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th line we will write like this. That is the tag mark. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But here number we will write 5. 6, how many times? 1, 2, 3 times.
4.
There is one more. Here 1, 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write 4 here. Okay. Then
So
7
7
how
is 2
many
times.
times?
2
1,
times.
2 times. Right. 1, 2. 2 we will write. 8 how many times?
1.
1 time. So 1, 1. 9,
1 time.
1 time. So 1, 1. Okay. So now this is called, this is the tabular form. Tabular form means which data this is? This is grouped data. Understand? Grouped
Yes,
data.
sir.
And this data is what? Ungrouped data.
Ungrouped data.
Ungrouped data. Okay. And from this data, we have to write the, which is the highest number. First one, what is the highest number?
So
9.
5.
Which is
5.
the lowest number?
9.
Lowest number is what? 1. And what is the range? Third one. Range, what I said, what is the formula to find the range?
So maximum
Maximum
minus minimum.
value minus minimum
Minimum
value. Maximum value 9, minimum value 1, 9 minus 1, 8.
8.
So 8 is the range of this data. Okay. And fourth one, find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Fourth one. So AM is equal to what?
So sum of observation.
Observations by number of observations.
Divided by number of observations. Number of observations. Okay. So sum of AM is equal to sum of observations means what? 1 plus 2 plus no. That all that numbers we have to add. What numbers? See here, what are the numbers? 4, 6, 7, 5. 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus sum means we have to add. Okay. Up to where we written 4 plus 5. 5. 3 plus 5 plus 3, 5, 4, 5. 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 5 will come. 4 plus 5. After that, 2 plus 2, 6, 2. So, plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. Then you know this. Okay, next 519 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9. Then 9 6 8. 9 plus 6 plus 8. Then 4 6 7. 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5. Okay. Now, divided by how many numbers total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20 are there. Okay. So divided by 20. Divided by 20. Now add and tell me how much total did you add? Add and tell me. 10, 17, 27, 30, 39, plus 10, 49, 50, 50, 87, 97.
Sir, 101.
101 now.
Yes.
Yes, 101 by 20. So this is called arithmetic mean. So this is the way of finding the arithmetic mean of given data. Understood?
Sir.
Yes.
Just arithmetic mean is just you have to add all the numbers and divided by how many number of numbers are there. With that you can divide means simply we will get the arithmetic mean. Okay. Now let us see the next question. See, find the mean of third one. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. What are the first 5 whole numbers?
Sir, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. First 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it now. For
Yes.
this, they are asking to find the mean. Okay, mean is equal to formula every time you should write sum of observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations. Sum of observations means 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by how much?
5.
Sir,
5.
5.
So 5 whole numbers, no? So 5. So that equal to how much? 9 by 5,
Sir, 10.
10 now. Oh, sorry, 10.
10. 10.
Yes, 10 by 5. So 10, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 0. So 2 is
Two.
the 2 is the mean of that data. Yes, understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then fourth one. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. So in 8 innings, first innings 58, so next innings 76. Like that, he scored the score in 8 innings. For that, we have to find the mean. So mean is equal to so sum of observations by number of observations. Okay, so then we have to write all. So 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100 divided by how much? 80. means 8 innings. Okay, then tell me the total. Can you add and tell me?
Sir, it is 400.
400, correct. So 400 by 8. Cancellation is possible. 8 ones are 8
50.
fives are 40, 0. So 50 is the mean of this data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this we will find the mean and range of the given data. So please note down these 4 questions. First question no need to know do. Okay, you just note down the from second question onwards.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Is it completed?
So 1 minute. Yeah, no, sir. Certain.
Okay. Next, we will see the next questions. Here in this table, it is given that following data shows the points of each player scored in the 4 games. Okay, here game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4 are there. But 3 players in game 1, A scored 14 runs, game 2, 16, like that. B player, player A, players B, player C. So they played different runs, different score in the different games. So now we have to find the mean to determine A average of number of scores. So you have to find the mean of A, means you have to add all this and divide it by 4. Okay. And to find the mean number of the points C, for C also you have to find it. So see here in C did not play. Game 3 he did not play means his score is 0. Divided by 4 or 3 for finding mean.
Sir, 3.
3 not 4 only.
No.
Okay, he got 0 now. So 8 plus 11 plus 0 plus 13 you will get. Would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? They are asking by 4 only. We played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean? So we have to find the mean of this, same adding and by 4. Who is the best performer? So you only find the mean of A, B and C and then tell me answers. I will ask individually. Individually you solve the problem. Okay. Right, Manasi? Already you know now how to find.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
knows. Come on, do it.
So we have to find the means of all of them.
Means of all A, B and C. First one
Okay.
A, second one C, third one B. Yashwant, you also, you switch off camera. Do it. And I will ask the answers for each. You just divide and tell me some mean will come in points. After adding, you should divide. Cancellation means you can cancel it. Otherwise, you just divide and tell me the answer. Sometimes mean will comes in points. Decimal number also. Completed means let me know.
Sir, the first question answer, yeah, so
You solve all the questions. I will ask anyone. First, you complete all three. Okay, Ashwin.
sir, even if we keep 0 as a value, what will happen? Sir?
Zero. Zero. Did not play means zero. Zero.
Sir,
Hmm. Okay.
sir, even if we keep 0 and like 0 as a value, there will be no difference in the mean, right? Sir?
So done.
So not understanding what you are saying.
Sir, if we keep 0 in the sum of observations, no difference.
Zero and you can add. Zero adding means you can how to add zero, you know, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm done.
Okay, okay, wait for 2 minutes, no?
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, Manasvi, what is the first question? A mean how much?
Sir, first mean equals sum of all observations by number of observations. So 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 by 4. The answer is 50 by 4, and then you can simplify it, and the answer will come as 25 by 2.
25 by 2. 25 by 2 means how much? 12.5.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Then Kritik, tell me the answer.
Sir, I think it's 4, sir, because 0 is also a value.
How much? 0 plus 8, 80, 8 plus 6, how much? 14,
Sir?
14 plus 4, 18. 18 by 4, how much?
Sir, you're asking it's 3, sir.
9 by 2, this is 4.5. Add 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 4. Did you get, Manasvi?
Yeah. So 4.5. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the answer.
Yeah, okay. C answer. C answer.
Sir, C answer is 8.
Wait, ma. Yashwant. Yashwant.
So the answer is 8 only.
Answer is
8. 8.
sum of observations. How much you got? Tell me. Sum of all this. How much you got? How much you got?
So which
Sum of all the numbers. Numerator is sum of observations. Denominator is number of observations. So what you got in the numerator and denominator after adding all those observations?
so 50. No, 50.
51. 8 plus 11.
32.
8 plus 11, 19.
So
19 plus 0, 19. 19 plus 13, 32, man. How you said 8 answer, 32 by 4. 4 ones are 4 8s. So 8. Now tell me who is the best performer? Who is the best
Sir.
performer?
Sorry.
A. A is the best performer because his average is 12.5. It is more than B and C. So that A is the best performer of the 4 games, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So in the next class, we will discuss the remaining things. Okay. And so tomorrow we will complete this exercise. On this exercise, Sunday you will have a test. Okay. I think it is this week. It is objective test, right?
Yes.
Objective. Last week it was subjective, but this week is it is objective test. Manasvi, you are new for this. Okay. Tomorrow by 5 o'clock the test will be open.
Okay,
can,
sir.
there will be 10 questions. Each question carries 4 mark, and if any question wrong means you will lose the 1 mark. Total out of for 40 marks. Tomorrow 5 o'clock to Sunday 5 o'clock it will be open at any time. You can open and write the test and submit.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So
Okay,
tomorrow.
tomorrow the same time class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What Manasvi?